Irma, how is your English? How do you practice it?
I joined an online English club. I am happy to practice my English in the club.
That sounds interesting. Would you tell me the benefits of joining an online English club more comprehensively?
Sure, joining an online English club offers benefits such as improving language skills, cultural exchange, building a global network, gaining confidence in communication, and accessing diverse learning resources.
How can joining online English club improve language skills?
Joining an online English club provides consistent practice in listening, speaking, and writing. Engaging in conversations with diverse members exposes you to various accents and vocabulary, enhancing your understanding. Regular discussions and activities contribute to vocabulary expansion and grammar refinement. Additionally, constructive feedback from peers fosters continuous improvement in language proficiency.
What do you feel when communicating with diverse members all over the world in online English club?
Engaging with diverse members in an online English club can evoke feelings of cultural enrichment, curiosity, and a sense of global connection. Interacting with people from different backgrounds offers unique perspectives, broadening one's worldview and fostering a sense of unity despite geographical distances. It often creates a dynamic and inclusive environment that enhances the overall communication experience.
Why can the feeling of cultural enrichment, curiosity, and a sense of global connection arise?
The feeling of cultural enrichment, curiosity, and a sense of global connection arises from exposure to diverse perspectives, customs, and experiences within the online English club. Interacting with members from various parts of the world exposes individuals to different cultures, traditions, and ways of thinking. This exposure sparks curiosity about the world, promotes understanding, and fosters a shared sense of humanity, contributing to a rich and interconnected global experience.
In terms of accents and vocabulary, how can you and the other members in the online English club learn from each other?
In an online English club, members can learn different accents by listening to diverse speakers, helping them adapt to various pronunciation styles. Exposure to members from different regions also exposes individuals to a wide range of vocabulary, idioms, and colloquial expressions. Engaging in conversations allows for the natural exchange of linguistic nuances, contributing to a more comprehensive and adaptable grasp of the English language.
What kinds of culture can other members of the online English club learn from Indonesians like me?
Members of an online English club interacting with Indonesians can learn about Indonesia's rich cultural diversity, traditions, and customs. This includes aspects such as traditional arts like batik and wayang kulit, unique ceremonies, diverse cuisines, and the influence of multiculturalism. They may also gain insights into the warmth and hospitality deeply embedded in Indonesian culture, contributing to a broader understanding of Southeast Asian societies.
That's great! What can you learn from Americans in terms of technology?
From Americans, individuals can learn about cutting-edge technology trends, innovation, and advancements. The US has been a global leader in technological development, with Silicon Valley serving as a hub for major tech companies. Exposure to American technological expertise can provide insights into emerging technologies, entrepreneurial practices, and the dynamic landscape of the digital industry. Additionally, participation in discussions with tech enthusiasts from America in an online English club can offer valuable perspectives on the evolving tech world.
Does the online English club you join consist of Japanese?
Yes, there are some Japanese in our online English club.
What can you learn from Japanese in terms of discipline and hard work?
From the Japanese culture, individuals can learn a strong emphasis on discipline, dedication, and hard work. The Japanese work ethic, often associated with concepts like ganbaru, perseverance, and kijyo, diligence, reflects a commitment to excellence and continuous improvement. Observing how the Japanese approach their work, study, and various pursuits can inspire a sense of discipline and a dedicated work ethic among those learning from them.
Your explanations impress me. I am interested in joining an online English club too.
That's good. Just join my online English club. We can practice English together in the club.
I am interested in joining, but I lack of confidence.
Trust me, joining an online English club can boost members' confidence through regular practice in expressing thoughts and ideas. Engaging in conversations with diverse individuals creates a supportive environment where members receive constructive feedback, fostering a sense of competence. The opportunity to share experiences and actively participate in discussions helps overcome language barriers, gradually building confidence in communication skills. Additionally, the diverse and inclusive nature of the club promotes a positive atmosphere, encouraging members to express themselves more freely, contributing to increased self-assurance.
I am still afraid of starting to join your online English club. Do you have any tips for me?
Don't worry, I'll be supporting you. Engage in activities in online English club where supportive members encourage each other, creating a positive and understanding atmosphere.
I think you're right.
Learn from mistakes, understand that mistakes are part of the learning process. Instead of dwelling on errors, view them as opportunities for improvement. Besides, you can request feedback from other members. Constructive feedback helps identify areas for improvement and builds confidence over time.
That's an excellent advice.
Just focus on the message, shift your focus from self-consciousness to the message you're conveying. Concentrate on the content rather than worrying about how you sound or appear.
Thank you for your suggestions. I'm ready to join your online English club.
It sounds great. I'm happy you can join us.